What's up guys, Billy from Mad Max again, and today I'm doing a little video on my kit loadout that I've been using for probably the past 9 months. We'll start out with the battle belt. I got a T.Rex Arms Orion outer belt. The inner belt is just like an Amazon special that I was using for a while, like actually like for my army shit. But the outer belt's Orion. It's the old one. I kind of messed up in not waiting because like 3 weeks after I bought this, the new one came out, but it's still good stuff, so I'm using it. Got an Esstac 2 9mm magazine, double stack for like Glocks, CZs, SIGs, whatever. A 5.56, and since it's not that modular, and I can't just take them on and off, I got a little 7.62 Esstac in the back here. Got the Esstac med pouch in multicam Tropic. I thought that was a little neat at the time. But it's just filled with like typical IFAC stuff. Everything but the MPA's in there. Over here I got the Safariland, like the drop mount, and then I use the Safariland QD ones, or QLS, or ALS, whatever it's called. And then I got Ragnaroks for all my handguns. This, for me, and what I do, it works great. I wouldn't really use it for competition. It's more of like an actual combat loadout, but I don't really do competition, so it works great. If I get into that one day, I'll make a separate belt just for that. But as for the belt goes, this is like my perfect setup. I was thinking about doing a dump pouch, but I don't. That's usually used for like admin stuff, and then as to see what I got on my plate carrier, I don't really need it. So for the plate carrier, got a Ferro Concept Slickster. This thing is very modular. It's all Velcro. I'm still using steel plates like a noob, just because I wanted to get something, and sappy plates are really expensive. It's not like I'm running around with this for like days at a time. I'll use it just at the range. It comes down to it where I need, like where I really need this, I'll eventually get sappy plates. For the little rig up here, I'm using the Haley Strategic, was it the EC3 or whatever? It's a Haley Strategic chest rig. This is modular as well. Up here, I just got some 7.62 inserts for it, for when I'm running the Scar, but I also have 5.56 inserts. There's Velcro, they come right in and out. It's very convenient. Then I got the little Chemlight thing up here. They're used for batteries. I use it for marker and to hold Chemlights that I'm never going to use. They're there strictly for cool guy points, but it comes on and off just with Velcro, so I could throw batteries in there if I wanted. But up in here, just running with a little cat tourniquet, and it's got 2 little 9mm mag pouches, but I just keep multi-tool in there. It's a pretty slick setup, no pun intended. For what I'm using for, it's fantastic. What's nice about the Slickster is the cummerbund that it comes with. There's 3 pouches or 4 pouches on each side where you can put mags, drinks, you can put tourniquets in there too, flashlights, anything that would fit in like a 5.56 size. You can even fit 7.62 in here because it's nice and stretchy. But it kind of gets uncomfortable if you actually keep your mags under there. That's why I have the battle belt underneath. With the chest rig, it doesn't come with extra clips to put in here, but these pop right in and out like that, and then they go right back in. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Oh, look at that. Just like that, goes right back in. But yeah, so for a slick little rig setup for range work and training and stuff, it works great. But I would suggest, if you plan on using this for like an actual duty setup, I would suggest getting sappy plates because they're way more comfortable. These are just cheap and they work for what I'm using for, like I said before. But other than that, just a quick video on the general rig setup that I'm using. Tell me what you think about it. If you got any suggestions what I should do to change this up to make it more convenient, drop it in the comments. I might take into consideration, but I already have it set up for what I'm using it for. But if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you didn't like it, eat a dick, guys. And if you don't subscribe already, my face should be over here, and then there's going to be some videos right here and here for you to check out. And remember, if you need steel targets or paper targets, hit up defensetargets.com or on Instagram at defensetargets. Use the discount code MADMAX, MADMAX, 1D, 1X. Follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at MadMaxGuns. That's with 2 Ds and 2 X's. I'll see you next time.